cobwebs, you know that nothing's going on. Just minimises getting up and down, and when you know who is doing like that, then know nothing's in there, you know straight away. But to me, that's it looked like they'll get better too.
Get better quality birds maybe. But, you know, it takes time.
Well, knowing what a good
what
bird is.
The birds, I feel the first harvest we had was our biggest birds. They've actually gone smaller. I don't know, and when I say smaller, they're not as fat as they used to be. Even surveying, you know, for ourselves, of doing our own surveys, what we do to do what you did to get us back onto this island.
So obviously in Moutohorā we've always held on to traditional harvest. Is there anywhere else that has reignited their traditional harvest across the country? Or similar to what we've done?
Yes, Pounanao. Certainly Ngāti Wai's sort of dabbled. Some of the northern Ngāti Kahu, Ngāti Kuri. But they're very small harvests. They're nothing like yours.
So initially, I just wanted more birds because I thought the numbers had grown since we've been here. But then there's a couple of things on there. Obviously, we want to know how to survey, and then on a local level of how to look after them ourselves.
So you know how I gave you the map of what the hole looks like. I reckon it goes around like that and then drops down, but then it's in a hole over here.